is in the Toledo Botanical Garden to show you how to transplant some of your favorites.
Early fall is the best time to move some of those plants around your garden. I have Jonathan with me here from the Toledo Botanical Garden. We have daylilies, and you already did the hard part. You already dug the hole for me. Thanks a bunch.
Yep.
Okay, well, what are we going to do here today?
Well, transplanting this time of year is great in September or October. The key is to do it 6 weeks before the ground freezes solid.
Checking the calendar, I think we're right on time.
So, and that usually happens in December, and a couple light frosts, that's okay. It's not going to affect the roots that are protected under the soil. So you want to look for the roots here in the root ball, and you can just brush some of the soil away to find the top layer of roots. And you want that top layer of roots level with the surrounding soil in your bed.
How'd you do?
So
Look at
the hole, yeah, if the hole is too
Perfect.
deep, the plant might be too deep, and then the plant could actually rot, especially your shallow-rooted perennials with crowns like hostas. If that's buried under the soil, even an inch or two too deep can actually kill a perennial. Go ahead and fill it in, and we're just using the native soil that I used to dug the hole here. A lot of people like to use this as an opportunity to add some compost to the garden. If you do that, just be sure to mix some of the native soil in with your compost. If you just use pure compost, your roots are going to just girdle around and grow in that rich compost. You want to promote the roots to anchor and branch out so the plant can become anchored and establish itself a little more in your garden.
Jonathan, that is so fun. And now this daylily is what's growing in your garden.
Thanks, Kelly.